Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a topic that's crucial for every business owner. Whether you're running an online store or a physical shop, we are talking about the importance of having a refund, returns, or exchange policy and why it matters for your business. Even if your business doesn't allow returns or refunds, having a clear policy is still essential. Let's get into the details. A refund, returns, or exchange policy is more than just a legal document. It's a fundamental part of your business's customer service strategy. Here's why every business should have one. First, when customers know about your policies upfront, it sets clear expectations regarding what they can and cannot do after making a purchase. This helps in reducing disputes and managing a customer's expectations effectively. Secondly, having such policies in place enhances a customer's trust and satisfaction. Transparency is key. Having a policy demonstrates that your business operates fairly and cares about customer satisfaction. Even if you don't offer refunds or exchanges, simply explaining this in a clear and fair manner can help maintain customer trust. Third reason, having such policies in place reduces the risk of disputes. Without a clearly written policy, you leave room for misunderstandings. Customers may feel entitled to a refund or exchange when your business doesn't offer one, leading to unnecessary conflicts or even potential legal issues. It's not enough to just have a policy. You need to ensure your customers are aware of the policy before they make the purchase. Here's how to do that effectively. If you run a physical business, display your policies on signages near the checkout or customer service areas. It should be easy to read and understand. A simple sign that says no refunds or exchanges isn't sufficient. The policy should explain under what circumstances, if any, exceptions apply. For online businesses, make sure your returns policy is prominently displayed on your website. It should also be included in the terms of service and also linked on each product page. During the checkout process, customers should be able to read and accept the policy by checking the box before completing the purchase. Finally, another good practice is to include a summary of your policy on receipts or invoices. This serves as a reminder to customers and can be useful in case of future disputes. Now let's discuss what could happen if you don't have a refund, returns, or exchange policy in place, or if it's not brought to your customers' attention. First, without a clear policy, customers might feel entitled to refunds or exchanges, especially when they are dissatisfied with a product or service. This can lead to disputes that consume time and resources. In some cases, a lack of clear terms can expose your business to legal liability under consumer protection laws. If a customer feels misled about their rights to return a product or to request a refund, they may file a complaint with the authorities or even take legal action. In today's digital world, negative reviews spread quickly. If a customer feels unfairly treated because of an unclear or missing returns policy, it could damage your business reputation. Customers often share their experiences online, and negative feedback can deter future businesses. Let's discuss some applicable laws in Singapore. In Singapore, consumer protection laws play a significant role in regulating how businesses handle refunds and returns. The Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act aims to protect consumers from unfair trade practices. Under this law, businesses must avoid unfair practices such as misleading claims about a product's characteristics or creating a false impression of the availability of refunds or exchanges. If your refund policy is unclear or your products or services are inconsistent with what is advertised, it may be considered an unfair practice under the Act. Now, while the Lemon Law in Part 3 of the Consumer Protection Fair Trading Act specifically applies to defective goods, it highlights the importance of having clear policies. The law allows consumers to request repairs, replacements, or refunds for defective goods within 6 months of purchase, unless the defect is due to the consumer's own actions. Having a clear returns or refunds policy can help businesses manage expectations regarding the application of the Lemon Law. Your returns policy forms part of the contract between you and the customer. If it's not made clear to customers at the time of the sale, they could argue that they weren't aware of these terms, which might weaken your position in any disputes. In cases where policies are buried in fine print or not displayed prominently, there may be a legal argument that these terms were not effectively incorporated into the contract. So what does this all mean for business owners? Having a refund, returns, or exchange policy isn't just about protecting your business legally. It's also about building a trustworthy brand. Customers are more likely to shop with a business that communicates its policies clearly and fairly. Even if your business does not offer refunds or exchanges, stating this upfront can help avoid misunderstandings and fosters goodwill. Remember, a well-drafted policy doesn't need to be lengthy or filled with legal jargon. It should be clear, concise, and easily understood by the average customer. For those of you looking to draft a return, refunds, or exchange policy, consider consulting with a legal professional to ensure that your terms are compliant with the laws in your jurisdiction or other applicable regulations. To conclude, it's crucial for businesses to be transparent with customers. This means not only having a refund, returns, or exchange policy in place, but also ensuring that customers are aware of it before making a purchase. By doing this, you can mitigate legal risks, improve customer satisfaction, and maintain your business reputation. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.